Hey and welcome to the Covert Video Press theme demo. You're about to discover how you can cash in on the online video craze without ever creating a video yourself. And how you can use this simple WordPress theme to tap into the most buzzing trend on the internet, propel your blog to the top of Google while sucking up free traffic from Twitter and Facebook on autopilot. Videos are hot right now. We've entered an age where people will soon watch more online video than TV. In fact, in 2011, YouTube beat cable TV in the US. If you're not using videos as part of your marketing and traffic funnel, you're missing out. And YouTube is, of course, the king of online video. And here's some crazy YouTube stats for you. YouTube is the first most visited site in the world, only beaten by Google and Facebook. It's the second largest search engine in the world, ahead of sites like Bing and Yahoo. On average, every internet user spends 15 minutes a day on YouTube. That's a combined 2 billion page views, or 10% of all internet traffic. There are 24 hours of video uploaded every single minute, and it would take you over 1700 years to watch all the content that's currently up on YouTube. But I don't recommend trying to replicate this. Obviously, we would all like to own the next YouTube, but that ship sailed years ago. With Google owning YouTube, they have secured near total dominance, and it would be kind of silly to try to compete with YouTube, so you need a different approach. You could upload videos to YouTube. Many warriors do, and there's nothing wrong with that. YouTube should be part of your marketing arsenal. But it's not the holy grail, and there certainly are a few problems with this approach. First of all, you have to record your own videos, which takes a lot of time. Every video you create becomes part of Google's content portfolio, and they profit from your hard work. Your video is one of around 800,000 uploaded every day, and chances are you won't get many views. And if you're lucky, you may get invited to the partner program so you can earn a few pennies in AdSense. We thought there had to be a better way, and we figured that the best approach would be to combine the features of YouTube with the powers of WordPress, bringing you the best of both worlds: good SEO, low cost, ease of use, and the explosive benefits of running a video site. But more importantly, we set out to create something that would mimic YouTube and build video sites as they're known and loved by millions of people, while legally piggybacking off other people's work and letting you build huge video sites without ever creating a single video yourself, and let you stay in complete control and keep 100% of the revenue. And that's what we did, and that's why I'm very proud to be able to introduce the Covert Video Press theme. It's a WordPress theme that makes your blog feel and work exactly like YouTube. It taps into the YouTube psychology, which will make your visitors much more likely to watch, like, share, and comment on your content, because they're used to doing all these things on YouTube. And we've added some clever traffic generation that will get you a ton of free traffic from Twitter, Google+, and Facebook. So let me show you how in just minutes from right now, you can be running a YouTube-style video blog that sucks in traffic like nothing you've ever seen before. In order to do that, I'm going to leave the slides here and go live in to have a look at the blog where I have installed the Covert Video Press theme, so I can show you how it works. So if we head in here, what we have here is my blog called The Beautiful Game, which is a tube-style site for football videos, or soccer if you're in the United States. Now, the first thing you'll notice here is that with the color scheme here, it doesn't actually look like YouTube. And that's because I actually chose to make one that was with this black background, the red colors and white, because I like the layout for this site. But the theme will give you complete freedom to change all the colors anywhere on here to make it look exactly the way you want, and you can actually make it look exactly like YouTube. And in fact, out of the box, the theme comes with a background that is identical to YouTube and a few other things that makes it look more like YouTube. But you have complete freedom to use any colors or anything you want here, and I'm going to show you in a bit how to customize that. But what you'll notice here is that we have a video site a tube style video blog that in functionality is like YouTube or the other video sites. Up here in the navigation menu, you can sort by the recently added videos which you're on now, or you can sort them by the most viewed videos or the top rated ones. And here you have a drop down menu with all your blog categories in it, so you can search for that too. There's a search box up here so people can search videos on your site. The theme has a big sidebar here. Currently I'm using two of our custom widgets that come with the theme. This one shows the most viewed videos, and this one shows the highest rated videos. And you'll notice that the videos also have a view count and a rating. Now if we go into one of the videos here, I'll just pause it so it's not playing on top of me speaking, but you'll notice here you have the title of the video, you have timestamp for your upload, the video itself is playing here, and you got your description, you got your rating. I can go in here and rate it, and so can your visitors. It shows the view count, the tags on whatever, and comments. And then we also have a third widget here, which is the related videos, which is very much like on YouTube. It'll show, based on your tags for the individual videos, it will show related videos, and this is great for keeping people on your site. If they're watching one, and then exactly like on YouTube, the related videos out here, they'll click and they'll stay on your site. Now I haven't really monetized this yet, but obviously in the sidebar here you will also put ads in here, links for stuff you're selling, your own stuff for affiliate programs, AdSense, whatever you want to monetize it. And since this is below the video here, it's a normal blog post, you can also monetize this by putting in links and ads and whatever you want. And obviously also using other third-party plugins like you normally do to monetize your blog. One thing that I think is very clever here is that we have two buttons here that are exactly like YouTube, which means they will be familiar to people and they will use them. They can click the like button here, and exactly like on YouTube, this panel here unfolds, and there's the share buttons for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or people can grab the link for your video post here and share it manually. And a lot of people will use these buttons here to share and like because it works like YouTube. They're used to them looking like this, and they're used to using them. So this is kind of how the theme looks and functions very briefly. But I want to take you into the actual admin area and show you all the stuff you can customize and show you how it works and how easy it is to use. If we go in here to appearance, and the first thing I want to show you is the header. You can use the normal custom header stuff that is integrated in WordPress 3.0. Right now, here I'm just using my blog's title and tagline, which you can do, and you can set that to any color you want, or you can upload a logo to replace it. You can also use the custom backgrounds. I'm just using a black color here, as I said, but I can restore it to the original image, which is the one that looks like YouTube, or you can upload any background image you want or set it to any color you want. If we go into the widgets, you'll see that first of all we have a main sidebar here, which will be shown on the front page and on any other pages of your blog. And we have the two custom widgets that come included with the theme, the most viewed videos, with some settings you can change in there, and the highest rated videos. We also have the single post sidebar, which is the one that will be showed for the individual videos. And on this one I also added the related videos widget. I haven't used it on my blog yet, but there's also free widget ready areas in the footer that you can use for monetizing your blog, or for putting any of these widgets in there or anything else you like. And if we head in here, we go into the theme options, and I don't want to run through it all now, but what we've done in here is make it so that you, from this single page, you can pretty much customize anything on your video blog. Instead, so there's no fiddling around with the CSS or anything. If you want to change colors, everything is in here and easy to use. For example, here you can upload a favicon. You can choose whether your videos should open in a new window or same window when they click them. You can change the header background color. Choose if the menu should be hidden or should be there. Change the text of the menu, the color of the menu, the text color in the menu, which categories should be included. Complete control over the background color, border color, text color in your sidebars. Sort the videos on the homepage by the newest or the top rated, most viewed. Change all the colors. Decide if you want to show text beneath the title and the thumbnail for the video, if you want to use the ratings, and all that good stuff. And for the individual videos or posts, whether you want to show the sidebar on the left or right, you can do this for the front page as well. But whether you want to show the sidebar, whether you want to have it on the left or the right, if you want to hide, for example, the title, hide the social buttons, hide the view count, all that good stuff. And the footer area, color, and so. And here is a very important thing. The theme will automatically generate video thumbnails for every video you enter into it. And you can set whether your video should autoplay or not. So these are some of all the options you can do. And just from this one page, you can change everything in there in color, look, appearance. So, as I said, I have a blue, red, and white one here. You can just by using the options in here, you can have one that looks completely different. One that, for example, looks like YouTube or looks like another video site that you want to mimic. And let's go in and have a look at just how easy it is to actually add a video here. If we go into an individual post in here, first of all, you notice that this looks exactly like a normal WordPress post. So there is, you should be familiar with this. You just add your title here, you add your text here, and this is the description text that will appear beneath the video. And here's the clever video bit. And we made this super easy. So all you have to do is select the source of your video, for example YouTube, and then it tells you what to enter, which is just simply the link for the YouTube video. That's all you have to enter, and the theme will do the rest with its inbuilt code. And you can do that for Vimeo too. It will show you what to put in there, Dailymotion and Metacafe. In fact, you can do it with any video file. And because the theme comes with an inbuilt video player that will play any, for example, MP4 file or Flash file. So any video, you know the link for the video file you can add in here, and you can add from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and Metacafe. Down here you see view count and rating, which means when you add a post, you can inflate it from the beginning with an artificial view count and start it off with a rating. And there's a few reasons for this. First of all, it looks better if there is a view count on the videos instead of people landing on a site where there's 0 views on all the videos. So you can give it a little boost just to make it look good from the beginning, and then hopefully organically it will pick up on its own. And the ratings is especially because people are much more likely to rate a video that someone else has rated before. So you can just give it a rating to begin with, and then people will start rating. The rest is just normal WordPress. You do your tags and all the stuff. But the clever bit is really here how easy it is to add a video. And that's about it. You can completely change the look of it. It's super easy to add videos. The layout and the style of it, with the related videos and all that, will be familiar to people. And especially when they go in and watch a video and they get the thumbs up button and the share button that looks like YouTube, they will click those, they will share it with their friends, and you'll get a lot of free traffic from Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. So that's a quick look at how the theme works and how easy it is to use. I just want to go back to the slides now and talk a little about why this is so effective and why this works so well. And it works so well because the video sites actually love it when you use their content. In fact, they encourage it. It's a win-win situation. You're helping them ultimately get more exposure, and you're getting free content, and they're encouraging it. Think about it, they wouldn't offer the embeds if they didn't want it. And it's the easiest way to create unique content for your blog, and this is my big secret, and I've been doing this for years. If I post a video on my blog, what I do is I just write a short description for the video telling what's in the video, just like people do on YouTube. But the fact that I do that means it's unique content. Google loves that, and it's very easy for me to do. It only takes a few seconds or minutes to do it because I don't really have to think about it. I'm just describing what's in the video. So for me, using something like Covert Video Press and just describing the videos is the easiest and fastest way to create unique content that Google loves. Another reason this works so well is that you can niche it down and go after a specific target market. Now think about it, YouTube is very, very broad. They have everything on YouTube, which is good. But if you go to YouTube, you're probably only interested in maybe 1% of the total content on YouTube. What you can do with something like Covert Video Press, like I was doing here, is make a tube site that is dedicated to one topic. In my case, it was football. And if you as a football fan hit my site, chances are you'll start viewing the videos, and if you like it, you'll bookmark it, you'll come back, because it's an easier way for you to find the stuff that you're really interested in compared to trawling YouTube and going through all the clutter to find it. And when you have a site that's dedicated to a single topic, it's also very easy to then target your advertising and your monetization to that specific target market, and that can really increase your revenue. And finally, people are used to YouTube, and they will instinctively know what to do when they reach your site. When they see the layout of a site of a site that's on Covert Video Press, they will know that they have to click the thumbnail to go watch the video. They will instinctively look on the sidebar to see the related videos and go watch more videos. They will know that there will be ads on the sidebar. They will know what the share button is, what the like button is, and all that. So you're tapping into what they've already been conditioned to do on YouTube, Vimeo, and some of the other sites, and bringing that in as a benefit when people visit your site. And finally, Google will love you, and then will rank you high. And why will Google love you? Well, post Panda and Penguin, bounce rate is the most important factor in search engine rankings. And if you don't know, bounce rate has to do with how much time people spend on your site, or essentially bounce rate is how many people instantly leave your site. But the more time people spend on your site, the lower your bounce rate will be. And that's the unique benefit of video sites. People spend more time. Instead of, they might hit your normal blog where you have a wall of text on there, and if they don't want to read it, they instantly click away. If you have a video site, they go in there and they click a video, they start watching. And even if they're not interested in the video and they don't watch the full video, they'll still spend more time on your site. And the benefit of that is that if people search for football and they hit my site, and Google then say, okay, they're actually spending quite a bit of time on his site after searching for football. His site must be relevant to the keyword football, and I will thus get a higher ranking for that keyword. That is the real benefit of running a video site. Google also see you as spreading their content and enhancing it. If you use YouTube videos, Google will see, this guy is using YouTube, we like that. Oh, he's writing his own unique description, so he's actually enhancing our content. They will like you even more, and they will rank you even higher. And in fact, Covert Video Press blogs ranks higher in Google and gets more traffic than any blog on any other WordPress theme we have ever used. And it's with a fraction of the work we normally put in, because we don't have to create any content. We're just using the content they already have, and we're writing a few very short and easy descriptions on it. Now, you might be forgiven for thinking that a theme like this will cost a small fortune. And there are a few other tube themes out there. The best one will cost you $59 for a single site license only. And it doesn't even have half the features of Covert Video Press, and certainly not the powerful inbuilt traffic generation. But for a limited time only, you can get your hands on the brand new Covert Video Press theme at the special low early bird price. We do plan to sell this for $59 or more soon, but right now you can get it at a fraction of that, including free lifetime updates. We'll even include full multi-site and developer's license at no extra cost. That means you can use the theme on all your blogs, use it on blogs you build for clients, even sell and flip blogs with the theme installed. So all that's left to do now is to click the button below to secure your copy of the Covert Video Press theme before the price goes up.